He found that sound, that audio on 11 meters, and I like it. Come on. Oh. November 8, November Kilo. November 8, November Kilo.
What's the last letter?
Kilowatt.
November kilowatt. Yeah, Tango November.
QSL, thank you. Please copy Chuck in Michigan. Chuck in Michigan. Charlie, Hotel, Uniform, Charlie, Kilo in Michigan. The state is Michigan. Michigan, Michigan, Michigan. Over. Wow. Hang on. Okay, I got his call written down. That guy had astounding audio. My thing's getting out of focus. Come on, camera. He had astounding audio, and it just went the hell, man.
Alpha Delta 4, Echo Bravo. Echo Oscar. Kilo Delta 0, November Echo Ocean, Alex, Alpha Lima Echo X-Ray, California. Roger, Alex Wayne.
Oh, I want to work California.
Thank you. POZ? Kilo Alpha, take Alpha. Okay, the Kilo 5. Kilo India 5, Echo Lima November, Alex, Alpha Lima Echo X-Ray in California.
Yeah, that's it. And I have a confession to make, man. Hang on, let me pause this. I have a confession. Yeah. Let me pause this. Alright, man, let me zoom this camera out. And I'm calling bullshit on myself. I'm gonna clown on my... Look at the stopwatch. Really? 10 minutes and 51 seconds? And you know what, man? A bit of honesty is in order. I've had a good time here, and I should have, because I didn't even start the stopwatch until I made the third call, I think, after the second or third call. And so how long did it take me, man? You know what? From the shack of Wirehead, November 8, November Kilo. I hope that was a pleasant little demo of what you can do with an end-fed half-wave 40-meter antenna made out of a speaker wire that's 6 feet high. I'm 6 feet tall, and it grazes my hair. So, oh, I know. For the perfect outro to a real bad video, but hopefully, I'll be serious for a moment, man. Hopefully a video that was of some interest to somebody. I'll add the states that I worked for those calls. How many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I want to say 10 calls in 10 minutes, but we already covered that. I'll add the states I worked in the comments after I post this video. Thanks for putting up with me, man. I hope you're well. Take care. Please take care. 73.